Hello sa lahat ng Virgo. Welcome back. Magandang araw. At sa mga bago, welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno. Or in short, Miss Mo. At sa aking channel, we will manifest love. Sa inyong Tagalog love reading, ngayon na Miss Mo. Okay. So, today ang gagawin natin ay quick energy check-in. Alamin natin anong kaganapan sa inyo ngayong magtatapos ng buwan ng mga puso at magsisimula ng panibagong buwan. Bilis ng oras, no? Marso na. Okay, so habang binabalasa ko to, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng Virgo na sumusuporta sa aking channel. At sa mga bago, sana supportan nyo rin po by liking this video, sharing it sa mga kilala nyong Virgo na nangangailangan pa ng guidance from the universe, and engage na sa comment section, lalo na kapag nag-resonate ito. At syempre, subscribe na sa akin channel para mag-grow siya. Makagawa pa ako ng maraming videos for you. At ayun, and hoping na mag-improve na yung setup ko. But for now, this will do. So gagawin ko ay bubunot ako ng 2 cards each from the recent past, present, and near future. Tapos interpret natin siya. At may supporting details using the other deck. Okay, sige. Simulan na natin. So, recent past. Yun na natin. Okay, nine of coins. The Sun. Present, the Star. High Priestess. And future, near future, is 9 of Wands. And the Emperor. Oh. Okay, there's a very strong energy of Leo, Aquarius, Aries. Okay. And Cancer. Okay. So, pwedeng ito yung signs ng person ninyo. Diba? Doesn't have to. Pero yun yung strong energy na nasasagap ko sa reading na ito. Okay? So, yan. So, alamin natin bakit ito ang kaganapan. Okay. So, 9 of coins in the recent past, you're happy naman with this person. And very secure. Hindi ka feeling smothered or walang feeling na nasasakal sa inyo. Alam mo yun, you're free to express your feelings, you're free to communicate properly. Basta, yung sense of freedom ba, na hindi ka parang sinasakal or kinukulong sa isang sitwasyon, gets, and you're happy because very secure nga tong relationship na to in the recent past. And at the present moment, there's so much hope for something better when it comes to the relationship, and as shown here by the High Priestess, there will be, parang mas magdi-deepen pa yung connection ninyong dalawa. Okay, so happy na. Mas magdi-deepen pa yung connection at the present moment. And as shown here in the near future, na ayan, nine of Wands. So si okay, so si 9 of Wands is a card of you will endure any challenge na magaganap between the two of you or sa relationship ninyo. And dahil nga stable na yung connection ninyo, very deep na, at the present moment nagdi-deepen na nga siya eh. So in the future, whatever challenges that you will encounter, of course, no relationship is perfect, so may mga ma-encounter kayong challenges, pero you will overcome it. Okay? And with the Emperor card, It's a card of um, being responsible towards each other. Alam mo yun, na parang um, para ma-keep or mapanatili na stable yung relationship ninyo. And there's a sense of leadership ba na ikaw dinadala mo yung relasyon, siya dinadala din niya yung relasyon, and together, you support each other. Nadalihin yung relasyon together para mag-work siya every single time. Okay? So, it's a good energy. Parang hindi ko na nga kailangan lagyan ng supporting details eh. Pero, sige, dagdagan na natin. So, very happy naman in the recent past. Kaya, at the moment, happy ka pa rin naman. Parang nagpatuloy lang yung happy. Pero, there's hope for even better connection. And keep your hopes high. Ay, also, make a wish na. Lumabas si Star Card. Okay, sige. Okay, so in the recent past, happy ang relationship. Ayun, wow, sobrang happy niyo talaga. San? Oh, Five of Wands. Okay, so happy talaga kayo together. And itong Five of Wands is just saying na, alam mo yan, yung any conflict talaga kaya nyong i-resolve together. Diba? Hindi siya hindi siya nagiging cause ng unhappiness sa relationship. Yung conflict pa nga ang bibigay sa inyo ng strength. Parang mas nagiging bonded pa kayo, mas tumatatag pa yung relasyon dahil sa mga conflicts ngayon. Kasi kaya nyo yung i-resolve. Okay? And happy talaga kayo together. Okay? And in the present moment, so Five of Pentacles and the Hierophant. So, si Five of Pentacles, there's, yeah, you're hoping for a deeper connection, di ba? Kasi may time lang at the present moment na feeling mo parang there's a lack of love and affection. Pero actually, hindi naman. It's just nagre-realign lang yung mga values ninyo, yung mga belief system ninyo, and how you want to commit to each other. So, may alignment lang na nagaganap, kaya medyo magiging parang, bakit parang suddenly from masaya parang naging medyo roller coaster ng konti. Pero hindi naman super duper roller coaster. Parang ano lang, konting hiccups lang. Pero in the future, okay, so Four of Swords and King of Wands. Okay, so si Four of Swords is a card of, alam mo yun, parang you recover naman from the present moment. Yun nga, yung Five of Pentacles dito, which is parang feeling mo na there's a lack of love and affection, pero hindi naman talaga. Yun nga, dahil sa alignment, eventually, yung relationship nyo will recover from it. And yun nga, any challenges will ma-overcome ninyo because nga, you support each other and you both are parang taking responsibility sa relationship. Kaya dito din sa King of Wands, di ba? Same thing. Itong the Emperor and King of Wands have the same energy. Yung relationship dynamics is very good. Kaya everything will be alright and magiging happily ever after pa rin naman ang ending. Despite all these parang hiccups and mga issues na may encounter ninyo. Okay? So, tingnan natin ang advice from the universe. So, itong advice from the universe, you can or you may or may not follow. Nasa sa inyo pa rin naman yun. Okay. So this is just a guide. Alright, so tingnan natin. Let's reveal. Time to rekindle. Take the wheel in your hand. So again, yun nga, nasa sa'yo naman yun. And ang mantra ditong time to rekindle, basahin natin. I am becoming more conscious and transforming my mundane and routine existence into a quality life. I connect my inner essence to everything around me. So, parang sinasabi din dito na, yun nga, wag kang mag-focus lang on, lalo na dun sa, parang, dahil nagkakaroon ng alignment nga, parang wag ka na lang mag-focus sa negative. Okay? And, yung destiny mo rin naman is nasa iyong mga kamay. Diba? If you want it to work, diba? Nasa decision mo yun. Diba? You don't have to parang antayin pa yung mga pwedeng like advice from people or tawag doon, mga signs. Diba? Nasa sa'yo pa rin yan. But so far, diba, happy naman kayo sa simula. And sustain that happiness by working it out and being responsible, and yung leadership ba, yung dalhin mo yung relasyon, and dalhin mo siya together. Para hindi lang isa yung parang nagpuput ng effort. And nakikita ko naman dito that you both possess these qualities. Okay? So sana nag-resonate itong reading, and abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading dito lang sa aking channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, mismo. Kita-kits muli. Ingat!